I'm Megan, this is my husband Mark. We've lived here for 13 years. We built this house.
So yeah, this year we made a list, put it on a whiteboard.
I wanted a pretty door, Mark wanted a functional door, and I didn't want to put a security screen on a pretty front door, so Mark researched it all and found this Guardian 2-in-1, and off we went to have a look and talked me into it.
I'm a painter, so I knew in the industry sort of thing, so like I knew about doorsplus. When we went and looked at the door, at doorsplus itself, it was like, wow, that's exactly what I wanted.
The door that was in there had the full glass panel, and we just wanted a 3/4 glass panel so that things this size couldn't see over.
Absolutely no fuss. Like really, it was, yeah.
Shout out to Todd, he was amazing. He got caught in a storm, he had car issues, he was soaking wet, and he still showed up.
Yeah.
He still showed up and put the door in, didn't he? And he didn't complain. In the end, Mark really wanted that door. I wasn't sure, but from going into the store, choosing the door, to them letting us have what we wanted, painting it ourselves, it was the best decision. It was seriously no fuss, wasn't it? It was no fuss to get this door, and we love it. We love it, and would definitely recommend it to anybody.